and simulation. In this assignment, we are going to use MATLAB and Simulink. Here are our equations. First, we'll start off by adding the integrator. We are going to name the integrator dCA over dt. And now we are going to add the gain, which is a multiplier. We will name the gain K1, and the value of the gain is -2. Now we are going to connect the gain to the integrator, and we will add also a scope for the first one. We will connect the scope to the integrator, and then we are going to connect the gain to that line also. Initial condition, we are going to put it as 1. For the second one, it's to change the color of the integrator. We will click on format and then foreground color, and we will put it as blue. For the second one, it's the same as the first one, but we will add the sum since the equation has a negative sign. For the integrator, we will name it dCB over dt, and we will add a gain also, but this time we are going to change the name of the gain, and it will be K with a space 1, because we can't have two gains with the same name. And the value of the gain will be 2. We'll add a scope. We will add the sum also, but we will need to change the sign of the sum to be positive and then negative, since we have negative K2. We will connect the positive side to the gain of K1, since K1 is positive, and then we're going to connect the K1 to that first one. We'll connect the sum to the integrator and then to the scope. Now we are going to add a gain, but it will be for K2. So we will need to flip the gain, and we will name it K2, and the value of it, it's already a 1. We will click on format and then flip block. We will connect K2 to the negative sign, and we will connect the gain to that line also. Now we are going to change the color of the integrator. We will click on format, foreground color, and we will make it red. For the last one, which is dCC over dt, it will be K2 multiplied by CB. So the integrator name will be dCC over dt, and we are going to connect it to K2 also. We are going to add a scope for the last one, and we will connect it also to the integrator. We will change the color of the last one, so it will be green. And now we are going to add a max. We will connect all the 3 lines together, blue, red, and green. We connect them all to the max. Now we are going to add a third scope, and we will connect it to the max. We will put the stop time as 5, and we will click on run. Then we will click on the scope, and here is our graph for the question. لا تنسون اللايك والشير والسبسكرايب.